Morning student, today we will discuss about our topic new unit, that unit number 6, unit 6. Okay, in our embedded system subject TYEJ. Okay, and in this subject the first topic, unit 6, that is real time operating system. Okay, real time operating system. The first topic is real time operating system. What is real time operating system? In any devices, electronic devices or mobile computers, laptop, all use some operating system for its operation. So this operating system is divided into two categories, that is GPOS and RTOS. Okay, GPOS means general purpose operating system and RTOS means real time operating system. Okay, general purpose operating system and real time operating system. Just we see what are the difference between these two operating system. What is difference between RTOS and GPOS? Okay, first point is it use non-critical system such as PC. Okay, this system is used in non-critical system such as PC. PC is a non-critical system. In your college lab, so you can provide some software by based practicals you can use in home application. So this PC is called as general purpose operating system. Okay, PC stands for personal computer. Then RTOS, this type of operating system use in embedded system such as ATM machine, petrol pump machine. Likewise, okay, whenever you see any ATM machine, petrol pump, petrol counting machine, or any of the standard machines, so this machine is an example of real time operating system. Okay, this is an example of embedded system. Okay, so then we check second important point, it is non-scalable. It means non-scalable means the size should be not to be changed, the size of the computer not to be changed, but it is scalable. The size of this embedded system we can change the size of petrol pump, we can change the size of ATM machine, we can modify the ATM machine, we can modify the embedded system overall systems. Okay, so this is non-scalable. This is scalable means it is considered as size. Okay, याचा साईज आपण चेंज करू शकत नाही, याचा साईज आपण चेंज करू शकतो. देन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज high interrupt latency and it is low interrupt latency. Okay, आता what is meaning of latency? Latency stand for protection. It having high protection for interrupt. Interrupt it is called as one type of system in a programming skill that is used for the priorities. Okay, जैसे हम एग्जाम्पल मानते हैं कि सपोज एक टीचर क्लास में पढ़ा रहा है. ओके, और चपरासी आता है नोटिस लेके, तो टीचर उसको बोलेगा तो बाद में आ, बोल सकता है क्योंकि प्रायोरिटी टीचर की ज़्यादा है एज़ कम्पेयर टू चपरासी. ओके, सपोज प्रिंसिपल आ गया और टीचर पढ़ा रहा है, तो टीचर क्या करेगा, सब काम छोड़ के पहले प्रिंसिपल का जो क्वेरी है वो सॉल्व करेगा ना, तो इसको बोलते हैं इंटरप्ट. ओके, इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज इंटरप्ट. सो जैसे कंप्यूटर में काम करते हैं तो सभी चीज़ों में प्रॉब्लम आता है, तो जिसको हाई प्रायोरिटी रहेंगी, जिस चीज़ को हाई प्रायोरिटी रहेंगी, जिस आईसी को हाई प्रायोरिटी रहेंगी, उस आईसी का काम फर्स्ट स्टार्ट करेंगे, तो उसको बोलते हैं इंटरप्ट. ओके, तो वो इंटरप्ट जो रहता है वो इंटरप्ट इसमें उसकी हाई प्रायोरिटी रहती है, इसमें लो इंटर प्रायोरिटी रहती है. समझ गया? नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दैट यूज वर्चुअल memory and in this is do not use virtual memory. First thing is that what is virtual memory? Okay, the sending of data from RAM to disk is called as virtual memory. So this GPOS use virtual memory and this RTOS is not use virtual memory. Okay, then next point is this is protected memory model and this is flat memory model. Okay, this is a compact system, so the memory model should be flat, and this is the this system is a general purpose system, so it is a it is not protected, it is protected memory model. Okay, the next is time insensitive. This is also time insensitive. Okay, time insensitive means it is sensible on it work with respect to time. Sensitive means it is a working with respect to time sensitive. Okay, and time sensitive related with it is insensitive, it is sensitive. Okay, if time goes, then this system not particularly work but this work. Okay, or vice versa. Then consider as 7, it is deterministic, it is also deterministic, it is non-deterministic. Means future status of this computer not deterministic, mean not defined, but future state of this type of system will be already defined. So these are the special type of operating system. The last point, 8 point, it support multi-user environment, it support single user environment. Okay, this is a use for a single person. You can use single person at ATM. In ATM, one person can be able to withdraw the money, ATM card. So it is a single user environment, and by using this system we can able to compute. One system is compute another is compute to another. So this type of thing is called as computing. So this computing from one system to another system. So this is a multi-user environment, this is a user single user environment. This is all about the your first topic, GPOS and RPOS. Our next topic is the architecture of RTOS and key specification RTOS. Okay, your assignment is that write the difference in your assignment book. Okay.